How to safely delete temporary accounts in Windows EC Troubleshooting Guide 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to Basic IT System, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we're diving into a quick and easy troubleshooting tip, how to delete temporary accounts in Windows. If you have a guest or temporary user account that you no longer need, removing it can help keep your system clean and secure. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Accessing account settings. First, head over to your Windows settings. Click the Start button and then select Settings from the menu. From here, navigate to the Account section. Step 2. Finding the temporary account. Once you're in the Account section, click on Family Other Users in the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a list of all accounts on the system, including any temporary or guest accounts. Step 3. Deleting the temporary account. Scroll down to the Other Users section where you'll find your temporary account. Click on the account you want to delete and then click the Remove button. Windows will ask for confirmation, so go ahead and confirm the deletion. This will remove the account and all associated files. Step 4. Verifying removal. Once you've confirmed the account will be gone, to double check, return to the Other Users section and make sure the temporary account has been successfully deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a temporary account in Windows. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Until next time, this is Fahad from Basic IT System signing off.